Come June, and elections for the seat of 16 MLCs will take place, and the race is on among all political parties. Among these, 7 seats are for the Legislative Assembly, and from Congress, the leaders in the fray are KPCC President G. Parameshwar, Siddaramaya's close aide H.M. Revanna and Nivedita Alva are eyeing the post, with chances of them being selected on the post. Similarly, K.E. Ishwarappa is also looking at contesting. K.S. Ishwarappa, in fact, is also looking at contesting from an MLC post. Well, the MLC elections are due in June, and it will see stiff competition between some of the tall leaders of the state, which includes KPCC President G. Parameshwar and former state president of the BJP, K.S. Ishwarappa. My colleague Bansi joins us with more details on this. Well, Bansi, what more can you tell us?
Well, the Legislative Council elections are the next most prestigious elections after the MLA elections, and these elections are scheduled for the 20th of June. So there is still a period of time left, about 2 months' time. But the preparation for this starts now, and if you look at these elections, we have virtually the who's who in Karnataka's politics running for it. And among the big names touted are the KPCC chief who lost on his home turf. Now, he is one of the contenders, Dr. G. Parameshwar. Also, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. We have seen K.S. Ishwarappa's shock defeat. In fact, these elections are going to have names like Dr. G. Parameshwar, like Ishwarappa and others. If you look at the total number of positions, the vacant positions, this is about 16. There are 16 vacancies. And also, if you look at the breakup, then we have 2 each from the graduates and teachers' constituencies. So it is going to be a close contest for all those concerned. But among the big names doing the rounds are Dr. G. Parameshwar, also H.M. Revanna, who's also a former minister. Then there's Nivedita Alva and Bosraj KP, KP Nanjundi, and someone like K.S. Ishwarappa's name is also being spoken about. Also from the JDS, there could be 1 or 2 names, because JDS and BJP can easily push in 1 person, while Congress with its numbers can bring in about 3. Among those from the Congress, C.M. Ibrahim, his name is also being considered, because let's remember C.M. Ibrahim is a former civil aviation minister who moved into the Congress from the JDS. And these are the names being that are doing the rounds, but it is really the contest is wide open, and there is sufficient time, and there could be a few surprises here, Nishita.
Right, thank you for joining us with all those details there, Bansi.